Hello everyone! Welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, where we help you transform your outdoor spaces into personal paradises. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Today we are diving into the world of greenery and style, as we explore how the right planters can completely transform your home's exterior. An outdoor garden planter is more than just a container for soil. It is a functional piece of decor designed to house and display plants, flowers, and even small trees in a controlled environment. Unlike planting directly into the ground, a planter acts as a mobile or stationary vessel that defines the architecture of your garden. It serves as a bridge between the natural world and your home's design, allowing you to bring life to paved areas, balconies, or porches where traditional gardening isn't possible. Essentially, a planter is a frame for your botanical art, highlighting the beauty of the plants while protecting their root systems from the elements. Integrating planters into your outdoor space offers a multitude of advantages that go far beyond simple aesthetics. One of the primary benefits is the ability to control soil quality and drainage, which is crucial for sensitive plants that might struggle in your backyard's natural earth. Planters also provide incredible versatility. They allow you to move your greenery to follow the sun, or to change your garden's layout whenever you desire a fresh look. Furthermore, they act as natural barriers and privacy screens, helping to define different zones in your outdoor living area. For those with limited space, such as apartment dwellers with small balconies, planters are the ultimate solution for urban gardening, bringing the mental health benefits of nature to even the most compact environments. To make your garden planters look professionally styled, you should follow the classic design principle of thriller, filler, and spiller. Start by selecting a thriller, a tall, eye-catching plant like a grass or a bold flowering stalk, to serve as the focal point in the center. Surround it with fillers, which are mounding plants that cover the soil and add texture and volume. Finally, add spillers, such as trailing ivy or creeping jenny, that cascade over the edges of the pot to soften the lines and create a lush, overflowing effect. Don't be afraid to play with color theory by matching the planter's color to your home's trim, or using complementary flower colors to create a vibrant pop. Grouping planters in odd numbers and varying heights can also add a sense of depth and visual interest to a flat patio or entryway. Choosing the right material for your planters is essential for both style and durability. Natural wood, such as cedar or redwood, is a timeless choice that offers a warm, organic feel while being naturally resistant to rot and insects. For a more modern and sleek aesthetic, powder-coated metal or corten steel provides clean lines and incredible longevity, though they can get hot in direct sunlight. If you prefer a classic or Mediterranean look, terracotta and ceramic are beautiful options, though they are porous and require more frequent watering. For those looking for lightweight and weather-resistant solutions, high-quality resin or fiberglass can mimic the look of stone or concrete without the heavy weight, making them perfect for balconies and frequently rearranged spaces. Now let's dive into some practical and inspiring garden design ideas that you can implement in your own space. Here these the collection of the top 10 best outdoor garden planter ideas to spark your creativity. One, the integrated bench planter box. This design features a large, square wooden planter with built-in seating ledges on the sides. It's the perfect multifunctional piece for a backyard, allowing you to grow large tomato plants or shrubs while providing a convenient spot to sit and enjoy the fresh air. The natural wood grain blends beautifully with a green lawn, making it a functional centerpiece. 2, modern anthracite tiered retaining wall. This sophisticated setup uses long, rectangular planters in a deep charcoal or anthracite finish to create a tiered border. These sleek, minimalist containers are perfect for modern homes, offering a clean edge against a driveway or lawn. They are ideal for planting a variety of low-maintenance shrubs and grasses to create a structured, professional landscape. 3. Natural wood cube planter. Sometimes simplicity is best, as seen in this handcrafted wooden cube planter. Made from vertical slats of warm-toned wood, this planter provides a beautiful contrast to vibrant flowers like zinnias. Its compact size makes it perfect for placing on a stone patio or flanking a doorway to add a touch of rustic elegance. 4. Elevated contemporary trough planters. These white rectangular trough planters sit on stylish black metal legs, raising the garden to waist height. This is an excellent choice for balconies or patios where you want to create a floral hedge. The elevation makes maintenance easy on your back and adds a modern, architectural element to your outdoor decor. 5. Twin planter bench combo. This idea utilizes two tall, square wooden planters connected by a sturdy wooden bench seat. It is a fantastic way to frame a walkway or a specific view in your garden. By planting colorful begonias or seasonal flowers in the containers, you create a cozy, fragrant nook that serves as both a garden feature and a functional piece of furniture. 6. Modern two-tone raised garden bed. Combining natural wood planks with a bold black frame, this raised planter box is a masterclass in industrial chic design. The height is perfect for growing herbs, vegetables, or a mix of wildflowers right against a fence or wall. The contrast between the light wood and dark frame makes the colors of the plants truly stand out. 7. Large commercial-style corner planter. For those with a large patio or a commercial space, this oversized L-shaped chocolate-colored planter is a game-changer. It can be used to wrap around pillars or corners, filled with lush greenery like ferns to soften hard architectural lines. The deep color provides a premium, high-end look that anchors the space. 8. The tall statement urn. Using tall, dark-colored tapered pots is a classic way to add height to your entryway. These planters are perfect for thriller/spiller combinations, using tall grasses and trailing vines to create a dramatic, welcoming entrance. Whether placed on porch steps or next to a garage, they add instant curb appeal. 9. Long timber decking planter. This long, low-profile planter is built from heavy timber, mimicking the look of garden decking. It features an integrated bench section, making it an ideal border for a large deck or patio area. It's a great way to incorporate a massive amount of greenery into a seating area without taking up separate floor space. 10. Traditional porch window box planter. Nothing beats the charm of a long, dark-stained planter box placed right in front of a home's windows. This design complements traditional architecture and provides a base for a colorful array of pansies and lavender. It bridges the gap between the house and the porch, making the entire home feel more lived in and vibrant. Choosing the right outdoor garden planters can truly be the finishing touch that turns a house into a home. Whether you prefer the rustic charm of natural wood or the sleek lines of modern metal, these containers allow you to express your personality through nature. By considering height, material, and plant selection, you can create a dynamic outdoor environment that evolves with the seasons and brings joy to everyone who visits. If you enjoyed these garden planter ideas, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Garden Decor Designs for more weekly inspiration. Which of these 10 styles was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Also, be sure to check out our previous video on patio furniture to complete your outdoor transformation. We'll see you in the next one.